I'm crooked, guys. My camera guy is working right now, so you're dealing with me. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I always say that. I feel like we're always here and I'm always disappearing and coming back, disappearing and coming back. Listen, I have a toddler that doesn't let me film and has not been napping. Usually I would film like when he's napping, but he hasn't been napping. So today he woke up at 5 in the morning and decided to nap because he woke up so early. So here I am. So I'm going to show you guys how I got this. Okay, this is what we're starting with. As you guys can see, like whenever I had done my hair right, whenever I did the front pieces, I feel like I should have done more. This is how it's faded. I haven't done anything to them. Like this is just how it's been fading. I haven't put purple shampoo. I haven't done anything. I haven't retoned them. Like this is just what it looks like since I did it. And then obviously there's regrowth. So I'm trying to just redo it. And then maybe it's probably going to come out lighter because I am going to go over it. But I'm going to tone with the same. So I'm going to be using the same bleach that I used on the last one. Hopefully you guys can catch that. And then I am going to be using 20 volume for it. And then I will be toning with the same color, the Color Charm one. And I'm using that developer as well. So everything that I'm using for this one is going to be the same. So somebody had left a comment on the last video saying something about like how I was using a pencil to do it. And like, yeah, like I mentioned in the video that you're supposed to use a rat tail comb, but I didn't have one. Whenever we moved, I just couldn't find it. So I ended up going to Sally's and I got some. Just gonna make it easier. I mean, you can get them on Amazon, but I was gonna go to Sally's anyway because I am retouching my hair. So I was like, I have to get hair dye anyways, so I just grabbed it. I'm gonna be using my little rat tail comb. I have some foil. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix my bleach, and I'm just getting this little, I don't know where I lose everything, okay? Ever since I moved, I lost everything, and I didn't feel like buying another one, so I'm just using this. But this is where I'm gonna mix my bleach. And I've mentioned in my other video before, my other bleaching video, that I do like this cream lightener better than the powder. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just not as harsh or something. I don't know, but it still lightens it really well. I am gonna use foils because I do feel like it helps it lighten quicker. And I feel like it just saturates your hair. Like it helps saturate your hair better. You can buy the foils at Sally's too already pre-cut, so it's easier, but okay, so I went ahead and cut some pieces up. But what I'm gonna do next is, again, I'm not professional, I'm just doing kind of like what works for me, right? So I'm gonna take these front pieces, and I mean, you can grab so you can be more precise, like from my eyebrow point, I think, or maybe even this way. Maybe this way. If I'm like this, pointing my eyebrow this way at this angle, I'm gonna grab my hair and kind of just going to basically like this front section right here. I'm going to section that and put it back. And I'm gonna go ahead and start here on this side. And so the way I'm gonna highlight is I'm gonna highlight going this way. So like that way. And then here I'm gonna highlight going back, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and just section here. I'm gonna just use the same clip to do it. And I'm gonna weave it. Okay, and then really quickly, I just want to say the reason why I'm weaving it instead of just bleaching the whole section is just because I feel like it'll blend better. If you just bleach the entire section, you're going to have that like harsh line. As opposed to if you do it this way, like if you're highlighting, it blends from the top better, like on the root area. It just looks more
Like, it just looks nicer in my opinion than just having that harsh line from just bleaching the entire section. And also, I feel like if you do it this way, where you weave and you're bleaching it with the foils, it makes sure that you actually saturate the whole area without missing any areas. You can apply the bleach to smaller sections, so it's easier to not miss anything. Other times where I've noticed that I just bleach big sections, it's easy to have those like spots that you miss. So this way it's just easier to make sure that you don't miss those spots, if that makes sense. And then when you highlight this way, it just looks more professionally done, in my opinion. It is a little bit more work, especially because if you're not a professional either and you're trying to weave hair by yourself, it's kind of hard. It's not as easy as it looks. Like when professionals, you see them do it so quickly. It takes a while. That's why I didn't want to like play it in real time because we were going to be here forever. I'm just kind of giving you the overall picture of what I did to bleach it this way. And I really enjoyed doing it this way. I feel like this is the only way I'm going to go now. Even when you bleach your entire hair, it's just easy to bleach it this way in little portions. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know why I did it this way because I was too concentrated to talk while I was doing it.
Okay, so I know there's some sections where if you guys saw me putting the bleach just on top and not all the way to the ends, it's because it's already, been bleached. So I was just kind of putting it on the dark areas as much as possible. If it was kind of light, I didn't see the point of doing that part. So yeah, as you guys can see, there was some areas like very little hair that I left out just so it can kind of blend. We'll see how it comes out. If I want more brightness, then I can always add more. But yeah, this is how I'm gonna let it, and I'll let you guys know how long I process it for, because right now I'm not sure yet. I'm just gonna keep checking it to see the level of light that I want it, but I'll let you guys know before I shower. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, this is the first one that we did, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the foil. Ooh, that is a blonde. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this side out because it's just been on for too long, and then I'll leave this for a little bit longer. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, there are some that are lighter than others, right? I think it's fine for me because once I tone it, it's kind of gonna look like, it's gonna give it some dimension, which is fine with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this dye, and I'm actually gonna apply it while my hair is wet. It should be fine. So it's kind of like this. And it doesn't matter if you get it on your hair. Well, on my hair, because my hair is darker than the actual dye, so it's not gonna do anything to it.
Also, another really quick note, please use gloves. Don't be like me. Do as I say, not as I do.
Alright, so I'm just gonna let it sit like this for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna head into the shower, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so I know the lighting isn't the greatest in my restroom, but I kind of want to show you guys what it looks like in indoor lighting. I'm right in front of a window, so this is just natural lighting right here, and I was going for the light brown, like a light brown, basically, just because again this is really dark, so any lightness would really make it work. So as you guys can see, I added some down here, a little bit more down here than I did last time, and then I still wanted it to just be kind of like, I haven't curled it, so I don't know what it looks like, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like straight because I feel like that's when you can really see. So yeah, this is the side, and then this is the other side. So okay, so yeah, that is all I did. Now I don't know if I want to add more, like to the bottom's kind of like a balayage or something. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if like it looks weird that it's just in the front, or maybe I just need to add a little bit more. I don't know. I still don't even know if I'm leaving it this color. I kind of wanted to dye this pink or like a lavender, but I feel like it might be a little too dark for the pink that I want, so maybe I'll just lighten it up into a pink. But right now I'm liking this because I feel like I've been using a lot of browns in my makeup, so this kind of complements the makeup looks that I've been doing. So yeah, let me know guys what you think. It's been hard to do videos because your girl can't afford a wig, so if my hair falls off from bleaching it so much, like I'm pretty much like screwed without hair. So that's why I do try to give my hair, you know, like breaks just to let it heal and stuff. So it would be cool to get some wigs though, to kind of dye them, like some platinum wigs that I can dye the colors that I really want. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you want to watch next. I am planning on doing like a new series where, like, on those times, instead of just not posting when I'm giving my hair some time to heal and things like that, I'm thinking of doing like a true crime series. If you guys watch Bailey Sarian, like, I'm sure everybody watches her, but if you're into true crime and you watch her, like, I've been really into her videos like for a year now. So I think it'd be cool whenever I'm not doing things to my hair to do something like that, like a video where I sit down, I do my makeup, and I tell you guys a true crime story. I've been planning on doing it for months and months and months, and I'm just like, oh, I don't know if I can do it. Like, it seems like what if people don't like that? I don't know. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, even though I feel like I am gonna do it just because that's something that I want to do. So yeah. Also, I do want to mention that I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited because I've had this channel for about 2 years now. And I just felt like I was never gonna get there. So I was finally able to monetize my channel. So if you guys want to see anything, any tips or anything regarding that, also let me know in the comments down below. But thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching, even if you don't do anything to your hair, just for entertainment or for whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to pop on and say that. So thank you guys again. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you on the next one.